What y'all doing? Cut it out, it ain't nice.
You don't want us, we freaks.
Oh, y'all should have said something earlier. I like me some freaks.
She trying to tell right now you in her way. You know?
Hi guys, welcome back. And today I want to unwind with you. I was shooting 2 reels, I was shooting 2 shorts, and I'm going to show you my unwind routine. Let's get into the video. I'm going to first remove my cutest clips. Look at this. And my battery actually 20% है. So hopefully it will last. मैंने ये rubber band से tie किया था. Let's take that off. Also, what is up? How have you all been? I know it's been a year. मेरे पास content नहीं था and मैं shoot कर रही थी. So I was like, let's just make this me getting unready. So that's what we are doing today. Okay, so I'm going to change my outfit. As you can see, the theme of my bathroom is red and pink, which is so me. So let's change. Okay, so I am all changed in my night suit, and it's not actually night, but this is what my day looks like. I'm done with my day, which is a privilege. Let's just put these aside. I'm going to give you a deep washroom tour soon because I'm going to change my faucets, I'm going to change into everything gold. Let's just light a candle for the vibes. So today I'm going to light strawberry pound cake, which smells amazing. So I need to tie my hair up. I don't know why they gave me a defective piece and it's almost at its last pump. So let's just use it, wash our hands. Out with the old, in with the new. Comment down below what is your bathroom color theme. Look at this, it's all pink and white. It took me about 7 months to reach till here. There's still a chandelier which is gonna come above this. It's gonna look much more pretty. And I need to speed this video because, as I said to you, only 20% battery. I even clipped it behind. Okay, so this is how I tie my hair where I look like an egg. Now I'm ready to remove my makeup. I am going to use my new cleanser that I got from Dubai. It is Clinique Take the Day Off. It is also a cleanser. Like, you know, I don't need to wash my face again, but I am going to still do it because I'm using it for the first time. Oh, it's purple. Oh, look at the consistency. Can you see that? Can you see that? Time to take my makeup off. Oh, can you see that? It's literally like a face wash, but also a cleansing balm. Can you see my makeup coming off? Like it was white, now it's all cream. That's concealer for you. Let's try this without using face wash first, and let's actually see that don't need a cleanser. Does it actually work like that? Now I'm gonna wash my face. Okay, as you can see, it didn't remove my makeup from here. So let's go in with my face wash, which my dermatologist has given me. It's Rensa. I don't know if you can get it, and I don't know if you should use it. Now it's come off. My skin has been acting really bad. Big pimples are coming. I'm doing things for it to get better. I've been doing makeup every day, so I need to take care of my skin more now. I don't know about you, but I like my counter clean because it does this. So ये हम फेंक देते हैं, and I'm gonna throw this one away. But this is my favorite, and let's get in iced lemon pound cake. I love anything pound cake. Now I can open my hair and look a little decent. So now that I'm done with taking my makeup off, let's do a face mask. Because as you can see, I have too many pimples and too much of drying because I'm using too much makeup. Already went to a dermat, so she has given me a Sunday night cream. So this is the Sunday night cream that I'm using, and then this is the serum that I am using. It's an alpha beta treatment serum. So this is for the laser that I have done on the face, and alternatively also like that I use on day 1 night, and then I use this on day 2 night. This is a Melarid depigmentation serum. I do the alteration of that. Then I have a soap that all of this, it's almost like, you know, gone. I'm supposed to use it in the day. Then this is the one that Rensa that I use, the foam one, that I'm supposed to use throughout the day. And the sunscreen that she has given me, she has asked me to use it 3 times a day. Now I have opened this yesterday itself. Let's use this again. It's a Pixi Skin Treats Glow Tonic, as you can see. And let's, whatever makeup is left, let's try and just take it off. Look at the dirt. So this is something new I'm trying. Let's see if I like it, if it's actually working out for me. Now let's put on a face mask. Then we can put an eye patch because I need it. So these are my stocks. So there's a pimple patch, there's a nose patch. So we want to do everything today. Skin purifying one. So this is the skin purifying one that I'm going to use right now. Look at it. I love these. I love the Tony Moly collection from Nykaa. Let me keep this for 30 minutes. Bye! Okay, so I'm back. As you can see, it's all dried up and it's coming out. So let's get my roller options on. So I have this silver roll on. It's good. It gets the job done. But I want to try my Washa. So this is the Barbie edition Washa that I got. And I have shown this in my shorts also. It's really like it's marble and it's really pretty. Barbie has it. So let's just want the shot. And can you see any difference? This is a little puffy and this is a little snatched. Like I can see it. I don't know about you. Yeah. Well, let's do this side 10 times. 10. Now a pimple here, so it pains a lot. So I'm just gonna go lightly this side because I can't give pressure. Can you see this lifted? And this is down. Okay, so now I have no pimples or anything here, so I can. Oh my god, it actually got lifted. It actually got lifted. Can you see that? I don't know. Did that actually work? Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do for my nose, I'm going to use this because it has this. It sucks in. Like when you go down, it literally pulls down. I don't know, it does the magic. So you should get this one. I got this one from Amazon. Okay, I think they're all done. Now, what I have left over inside this, I'm just going to put it on my face. I have an option of Palm Made circle oranges, which literally look like oranges. It covers your whole eye, but that is not what I'm going to do right now. I am going to be using, this is the Swiss Beauty Hydra Eye Patch. So I'm going to use eye patches. It comes with a spoon, which is amazing. My eye patches are in. We're going to leave this for 15 minutes and I'm going to see you again. Okay, so my alarm just went off. It's time to take these off. Let me go and grab my ice rollers and depuff my face. But ये ना इसका ये मैंने मिनीसो से लिया है, but इसका पता है प्रॉब्लम क्या है? ये बहुत ही जल्दी सी एक स्वाइप किया मैंने and you can see धुआं निकल रहा है इसमें से. Oh my god! Did that just happen in front of y'all? I literally broke it. I mean, that's just another reason to buy more, right? At least एक तो ठीक है, तो हम एक यूज कर लेते. Now I need to throw this one, and I have made a mess. Now that I have taken care of my skin, my eyes, I have even done depuffing. I really want to get into my nose pores. Okay, so I think let's use Sephora one. I am back. Now let's take this off. It's been 15 minutes. Oh my god. Oh my god. You can't see anything. That came out of my nose. Now let's just clean this part because it was too wet and iska charcoal color nikal gaya black. Now let's end all our skincare routine with a little moisturizer. Sunscreen and moisturizer that I'm going to use. So first the moisturizer is DU, and DU in my defense, this is the brand in Alia Bhatt uses this, that I got a PR package from Nykaa itself. So it worked out really well, and trust me, it is very expensive, but it is one of the best moisturizers that I have ever tried. Like, it's so lightweight, it melts into your skin. If you have the money and want to invest in a good moisturizer, I will recommend this one. And the sunscreen that I have that you can't buy because my dermat has given this to me. So this is a Use Sun 40 SPF. I know it's night time, but I watch TV a lot, so this is very important. And I really like the consistency. Like, मेरे को बहुत time लग गया था अच्छा sunscreen ढूंढने के लिए, and it's almost over. I'm gonna like squish whatever I have left inside, because I'm using this since 6 months now, so there's hardly anything left. I'm not able to go also to my dermat in every month to get the treatment done for my acne and laser that I had started. So I think I'm going to start my skin journey at home first. It does not leave white cast. It in fact makes me look a little fair. So that is how I take care of my skin. I will be editing this YouTube video, and then I will be editing my shorts, I will be editing my reels. So yeah, let's put a lip mask because I feel very dry. I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hands. This is the Miniso pimple patch, clear acne pimple patches, and I'll just place it right there, and I'm going to just press on the edges. So yeah. This is the lip mask, which looks amazing. This is how my skin is looking. This side has been really treating me well, but not so well this side. I have a pimple. Also, a reminder to y'all, throw out your expired products. If you have not thrown out your products which are expired or open since more than a year, just check the date. Thank you for watching my video. I will see you in the next one.
Bye, baby. Bye.